Hello, Jasmine.
Hi, how are you?
Very well. My name is Lorenzo Cardei. I'm the master mixologist for the Seminole Hard Rock Casino Tampa. And today we're going to be making a cocktail.
Amazing. I cannot wait to make this, but I definitely need your steps. You got me?
Jasmine, no worries, in good hands.
Okay,
First thing first, please grab the jigger.
Okay.
And you're going to pour 2 ounces of the mango vodka.
Perfect.
That means you go all the way to the top. All right, put it in the small tin. Now we're gonna do 3 ounces of mango nectar. So go all the way up, almost
All
there.
right.
Beautiful.
I think this might be a strong one.
Do 1 ounce of that, which means half of the jigger. Oh, you're doing great.
Thank
Have you
you.
done this before?
Maybe.
Let's do 1/4 of the simple syrup.
Quarter.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoop.
Now we're gonna add ice. Now this is the challenging part. If you can do this, then you're a mixologist. Okay. Beautiful. Twist it and then shake it like beautiful. That should
We
do
good?
it. Yep.
All
That's
right.
enough. Beautiful.
Whoop.
Okay. Put it in the glass. Now we're going to top it off with Mangostrura bitters, which
Okay.
enhances the aromatics and the taste.
That looks
and now
pretty
we want to
now.
make it pretty. We're going to
Okay.
use some interesting garnish.
Put these in here.
Yes. Put it in front. Yeah.
Here. Now, you know, I never knew that these orchids were edible. You don't eat the actual flower, right?
No.
Okay, thank you. I just wanted to make sure.
So this is the cocktail. Oh, you did amazing.
Thank
That's
you.
like an artist.
Boop.
Yep.
There we go.
Cheers.
Thanks.
You're welcome.